Are you running Facebook ads but ads manager shows zero conversions, even though you know customers are buying from your store? You are not alone. This is one of the most common and costly problems business owners face. And it comes down to pixel setups mistake. Why your pixel is misconfigured. Here's what's happened. Purchases doesn't show in Ads Manager. Add to cart or leads events never fire, and Meta's algorithm gets no data to optimize your ads. The result, you spend money on ads, but Facebook thinks nobody is buying. That means your campaigns stop optimization. Your ROS is dropping, and you're literally burning money every single day. So why does the Ads Manager reports zero conversions? Here are the most common mistake I see: wrong event mapping, purchase firings as view content, or doesn't fire at all. Deduplicate events with no deduplications. Meta ignores one of them, so conversions vanish. Missing parameters like value, currency, or content IDs. Without them, Meta rejected the events. Plugins, app limitations, Shopify, WooCommerce, or WordPress app install only the basic pixel, leaving server-side tracking incomplete. No conversions API setup, browser events only get blocked by iOS 14.5 plus and cookie restrictions, so conversions never reach Meta. But here's the good news. This is 100% flexible with Google Tag Manager plus server-side tracking. With Google Tag Manager, I map events correctly, so purchases add to cart and list tracking without errors. I deduplicate browser and server events so Meta sees clean, accurate data. Pass all required parameters like value, currency, and customer identifiers like email, phone number, first name, last name, email address, like this city, country, external ID, etc., etc., etc. Send browser-side events that bypass browser restrictions and ad blockers. That means Meta finally gets the right conversion signals and your ads manager show the real result. If your Facebook ads are reporting zero conversions, it's not your ads problem, it's your tracking problem. And until you fix it, you are wasting budget and giving Meta the wrong data. So if you want to fix these problems, reach out to me today, and I will set up your pixel conversion API with the Google Tag Manager the right way. With accurate tracking, your campaigns will optimize properly, your ROS will increase, and you can finally scale your confidence. So see you soon. If you want to improve your ads performance, if you want to get more sales or leads.